seed starting is a wonderful thing because it's great to see the whole process being able to start from the tiniest little thing to a seedling to a sprout to the plant. You get to harvest from the plant and then seed save and start all over. But sometimes you get started on seeds, it can be a little tricky. So it could be just because it's a weekday and it decided not to sprout. Sometimes the seeds could be too old, even though I have found they have worked for me for over 5 years that I've had seeds for, and they still work. You might just get less of a germination rate. You definitely need heat. The seeds just really pop up quicker, more efficient when there is lots of when it's warm. So I actually have it's 75 in this room, and then I still have heat mats on the ones that I just started today, which brings it up another 10 degrees. So they like it hot. So that seems to work out good. The cabbage, the broccoli that you see over here, they popped up within 2 days, which is amazing. So now I have them underneath some lights, as you can see here, to get them sprouting up. Those are LED lights. So if you're having a hard time starting, make sure that the soil was moist but not too wet, because then the seeds will rot. Make sure that there is enough, wetness, that they have some moisture, because it's what tells them to get going is the moisture and the heat, and they're like, hey, here comes life. So that's what they like. I like to keep a dome on them as well to keep the humidity in there, and so see if that works for you guys. Make sure that the soil's moist enough but not too wet. Make sure you've got them warm enough, and then humidity dome seems to just really get them going. It's really efficient if you can just do it this process, and you just get her done. So good luck with that. Let me know if you guys have any questions what's going on with your seeds. Thank you.